Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Not good afternoon, good evening, night time.
Good evening, actually.
So today we will take you to one fancy modern shop in Poznań, Poland, and we will take you to stroll around how it is night time in Poznań.
Yeah, driving little bit of the night drive and show you something very cool actually. Not everywhere in the world have a shops like this one what we have here, so it's cool.
Right, so we are in the 24/7 Żabka Nano, and I think this is the most fanciest supermarket where there is no shopkeeper. You see, this is the most sophisticated. Here is the inside. You see, like everything here, drink, food. So if you are hungry, this one is your way to go, supermarket to go. See, sinka, which is sausage, so many like food. Nice. And the thing is that they have 1,000 of camera. So it means like here the safety is a very good. Maybe in any other country like people gonna steal it, right, Kohanye, and break it.
I think so.
Yes, but here it means that in Poland this is a safe country. Look, even fresh product like this. Peace and peace. Look, they even have a coffee and self-service. Oh, they have a ice cream.
Yeah, everything is small, but
Yes, they have everything.
From
They
Blue
have a
Pepsi.
blue Pepsi. You wanna buy blue Pepsi? Promosi.
I don't know what is
Nice.
blue Pepsi. Probably I will buy blue Pepsi because just some curious what is it.
Nice. Oh, this one energy drink. So many things. Let's buy ice cream then, Kohani. Nice. So, how about the payment system?
You just take it and leave it.
Take it and leave it?
Literally.
Wow, this is the most fancy and modern. And look at the price of the coffee.
Coffee actually.
Espresso. And this one you can make by your own. Even you want to have a tea. So, torba gratis. Mean the bag is free if you pay minimum 20 zloty. Fancy. So, we just leave. And that's it. So, how's the payment then?
I don't know, you just go and then they charge you from your car.
Oh, I see. Kohani, how is the payment system then?
I left. Right, we took 2 ice cream, paid 8 zloty. They sent me the text message. Cannot show you everything because we have personal details. But I like this one. And that's it.
Oh,
So
wow.
attach your payment card on the screen. You go, buy whatever, take whatever you want, leave. And no later than 3, 4, 5 minutes you're gonna get everything. They charge you from a card. And they take only 15 zloty deposit as security.
Wow. And now it is about 12 midnight. You
So
see?
quiet, but actually so many
It's
people.
so quiet.
Always somebody is coming.
Very nice.
Very cool actually.
This is like the futuristic
And also
shopping
I would like
center.
To add, Żabka is originally Poznań brand. So it's from this city actually.
Also, it means that Poznań is actually the state of the business, tak?
Wow. Business city.
Nice.
Żabka, Allegro, Otomoto, Autodom. Many big companies, brands
Nice.
established here.
Cool. Okay, for those of you who are curious how to make it, this one.
Yeah,
So-
and then you can choose Polish, English, Ukrainian, of course,
German.
and German. English, and then you can just enter your card details, and that's it. It's very easy actually.
Detail, credit card, or Żabka. Alright, so because we are already on the street, we just want to show you how it looks. This is basically the situation in the central business district. Even what time is it, Kohanye?
It's just 4
12,
minutes after
right?
midnight. Yeah.
Tak. And then the light, the street light is actually already off.
Tak, so it's like easier to drive. I mean, maybe you have to be more cautious, but that generally is, is just simply more quicker because there are no lights. Because there are lights, not necessarily. And this is like an all loop. You can focus on the street more, not on Misa. Actually,
I know. And the bus still working. Look. And this one, how quiet it is. The city at night.
Actually enjoyable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Today something different than normally you film, huh?
Yes. True.
Żabka, Nano.
Yes.
And the streets of the Poznań at
Tak.
midnight.
You know, I make every single video and I know how it looks. The city at daytime, it's so busy, but look how peaceful it is. I think that the shop here are closed at 10, right, Kahani?
Mostly at 10. Restaurants at 10, 11.
Yes. And now we are in a Yesice district.
Right. The restaurants here are actually closed mostly 10, 11. On the weekends, Market Square is busier, but weekdays looks like this one. Today actually Tuesday, Wednesday night, right?
Tak.
So like this one. Rynek Jeżycki.
Yeah.
Pretty quiet, but pretty enjoyable actually for relaxing drive at night, huh?
Tak.
There is one shop open 24/7 actually.
That's the apotek. And this one is the Rynek Jeżycki on the left. So we are heading home, and this is our neighborhood at midnight.
This is bright, huh?
Yes.
They can put lights on the church, huh?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Right. So I think that's all our video today, guys, showing you the night actually in Poznań, Poland. And here is the garage, and our apartment has a garage actually.
That's actually cool.
So yeah, thanks for watching. It's very short video, but showing you how it is fancy actually in Poznań, Poland. I think that it's only happening in Poznań, right? How about other
I'm not
Polish
sure.
cities?
Actually, probably they have it, but Żabka is like a 7-Eleven convenience store, but it's like totally autonomous. It's actually one of the something very fresh new technology, and it's actually cool as it's made in Poland. And not always everything is only in other countries, but we also pioneer of something. Well, even Singapore don't have it, the autonomous shops like this one yet.
Maybe, I don't know, about Japan, I don't know.
Japan for sure. Okay, they have it for sure.
But the most important thing is that Poland is not always about the old building, communist and something like
Exactly.
that, but something new, modern and very fancy developed things.
Exactly. See you tomorrow.
Bye.